The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Richland Center to Madison, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. There have been numerous reports of quarter to ping-pong ball-sized hail with these storms over the last 30 minutes. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Waunakee, Baraboo, Verona, Portage, Reedsburg, Monona, Windsor, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, DeForest, Cross Plains, Lodi, Lake Delton, and Gwinnett. This includes the following locations: Wisconsin State Capitol, Mirror Lake State Park, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilbourne Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.